Okay. So we declared a variable products here. So products will be products should be in the array because we have multiple products to store. The first products will be the product. Every product should have the key ID to identify the unique products, and also name key and also price. Open the curly braces and close the one product here like this. So in the array, multiple values are separated by a comma. Okay. So ID, name and price. In the same way, we opened the second object and also closed with the key value names ID 2. This is the number type. Name, string type, price also number type. Okay. In the same way, we created 5 objects with the comma separated of multiple values. And also we closed the array here. So now we have 5 products. To show all the 5 products in the HTML page, we created one division with the class name, ship card, image. For the product, we have to show the image here, and the division is the card content, which we have the product name, product price, and the button here. So what is the structural directive means? To add or remove any elements for our DOM, document object model. So this for directive will make our DOM elements dynamically to add. So here is the way, this is the syntax. Remember the syntax, just remember the syntax. Okay, at the rate for, you have to give at the rate for product of products, means this is the variable we declared in the TypeScript. Okay, in the product, it will loop the each product. We will get the each product based on the index. So track with the product ID. This is the syntax we have to give the track. It is a keyword. We have to just remember the syntax. This is the keyword. Product will be the username. You can give any PR of products. So you can get the error here, pr.id. Whenever you are looping the each product, this is the user defined name, right? So we have to give PR like this. This is the user defined name, but give it as a meaningful name. Off is the keyword, just to remember the syntax. Products. So which data you want to loop in the HTML, you have to declare the variable here. If you have another products here, products array2 here, then if you give the products array2 here, then the products will change. Okay, track is the keyword. Product.id means whenever you have a different multiple number of products, you have to track with ID whenever there is a change, dynamically changing. Whenever the user add the products, also some more products, the DOM have to understand the unique products, unique ID of the products. So you have to give the ID. For every product should be a one unique key, that will be ID. So you have to give the ID, track with ID. So it is a track the product with the ID, and if there in future there is any addition of the products live, then it will track with ID and it will add to the DOM dynamically. So make sure this is the syntax. Opened with the curly braces. Here, open and closed. Closed with the curly braces. So next, which part of the HTML element we have to loop multiple times, that will be given inside of the curly braces, inside of the for loop. So this is the card I want to show same style, but I have multiple products. I have to show means then you have to give the same HTML part where you want to loop. The same part we have to give inside of the for loop. Okay, then for each product we have ID, name, price. Okay, So to access the name, ID and the price, you can give inside of the string interpolation. Means it will accept this string to show to our website. This is the syntax. We also know, we previously studied that. This is how we can show a variable data to the screen. Product.name by using the string interpolation. We call this one as a string interpolation. In the same way, price colon product dot price. You can give it within the string interpolation. When you want to access a variable to show in the screen, you can give like this. Product dot price means it will show 200, price colon 200, dollar 200. This is also a normal data, hard coded data. So this is the data we are getting from the array whenever the each product is in the loop. In the same way, the if condition also, the syntax will be same like for loop syntax. At the rate if, this is the directive, structural directive. So we know the syntax of the if, opened and closed with the braces, product dot id not is equal to 5. When it is a true only, it will enter into the card. It will enter into the card and this card will be binded into the DOM. Otherwise, if the condition is false, it won't bind the element to the DOM structure. Okay. So this way we can write the code by using the structural directives. In future, you can more and more practice with these syntaxes. Then you will get habitual to using these structural directives. Let me run the project. Npm start or ngserve. Npm start. Opening the browser. So the default port, the Angular will run in 4200 port. Enter. Now see, four products are available in our DOM, available in our site. So why the fifth product is not binded means we gave the one condition that if product dot id not is equal to 5. I am removing this one. Let us save. Saving. Now see, the product 5 is available to our site. So this is the use for the if directive. When you want to show with some condition of the product, you can use the structural directive of if. When you want to loop the same style, the image and the content you are seeing, the price content, the add to cart button, and the whole style will be same. You don't want to hard code. Hard code means just the same code we are giving every time. That is called hard coded code. So we don't want to give like that. We don't want to give like that. We can give like in the for loop because of the same style we are using every time, but the data is different. The data you have to store it in the array, then we can loop the array. The elements will be binded automatically, dynamically like this. Based on the condition, when you want to show the products, if the product is out of the stock, you can give the condition like if the product dot in stock is active or inactive. You can give some conditions. You can add some data like in the component dot ts. If the product is available means you can add one variable, stock, uh, out of stock. Okay, control C. In this product also I have to add, this is the stock variable, control C, comma. So now the every product has one more data, one more key is stock. It is showing that the product is available or not. If the product value is out of stock, we are showing that the we don't want to show the product. Okay. Okay. Home.component.html. Now everything is fine. It will loop the value. It will loop the card every time. It will show the products, how many products available in the products key. Now everything is fine. What we have to show if the product is out of stock. Okay. Uh, in this section means in this add to cart, in this price, in this button, I want to show the section product is out of stock. In the paragraph element, I want to show product is out of stock. Okay. Now see, let me refresh. Now see, the product is out of stock and the data is we are seeing again. If the product is unavailable, we have to see only this text. I don't want to see the product description and the product price add to cart button. Okay, that is not the use case of the user. When the product is out of stock, also he is going to add to cart and going to purchase. That will be a some error. Now we only show the text out of stock. So in this way, the structural directive if will come. Okay, at the rate if, see the syntax is at the rate if parenthesis, we call this one as a parenthesis, open and close, the curly braces open and close, the code we want to show will be in the curly braces. The whole division we have to cut. I want to show the product is out of stock means product, each product we are looping. This is the each product we are showing the product dot product dot on what database we on what basis we are showing the product on the stock base. Stock double is equal to stock only. Okay, otherwise double is equal to not, sorry, this is out of stock. Out of stock we have to show this one. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, expected property exceed the expected. Will again run the project. Okay, so when you get the error, if it is a meaningless error, once stop the server and start again. So many we don't know how why it is getting the error. Everything is correct only, but sometimes it will show the syntax errors or something like that. Stop the server and start again. Yesterday